Hey everyone, today I'm going to be doing a U-part tutorial. I'm going to be showing you guys how I install it and also sharing some blending methods. So the first thing you're going to want to do is section off your leaf out. This U-part that I'm going to be wearing today requires minimal to no leave out, so it's completely up to you, your preference. This is about as much as I'm going to be leaving out. Next, you're going to want to either braid down your hair, or if you don't know how to braid, or if you're running out of time and you need something quick, then you could put your hair back in a ponytail and put it in a bun. This will give you the same effect, but I do prefer the braid down method. It's just more flatter and more seamless. But I just wanted a quick hairstyle, so I'm just going to be putting my hair back in a bun. So the U-part that I'm going to be installing today is from TruPart Texture. This is their Sasha Curl TruPart, and it's about a 3B to 3C curl texture. I love that it has the clips and hooks so that it stays secure on top of your hair. And I do also love how they have different texture options on their website. You have loose curls to your tightest curls, and you also have their blowout texture, which is really beautiful and blends also perfectly with my hair. So once you have your U-part all clipped in and hooked, you can take out your leave out, and my hair matches perfectly with this curl pattern, so I don't really need to do much. But if you do need to blend your hair with the U-part, there is two options that you could do. Option A is to use a curling iron to curl your leave out, and I use the thinnest that I could find. This one is a 9mm, and I got it off of Amazon, and I've used it and it blends perfectly. If you don't want to use heat, you can use perm rods, use mousse, and then set it overnight and it'll give you the same effect. I love big hair, so I'm just going to be playing around and fluffing out my hair until I get my desired look. This hair could be bleached, colored, cut, straight. Very versatile. You could do a lot with this hair. I am wearing their 24-inch, but it also comes in a 16-inch. I did cut a little bit of layers, not too much, it's barely noticeable. You could kind of see it in the back, but this is how it looks, and I'm absolutely obsessed with this U-part wig. It's super easy to install. You could literally wear it in however style you like and it still be bomb. So I am obsessed with this, and I do also love wearing this hair in a side part. So whether if you're a side part girly or a straight down the middle girly, you could do both with this U-part, and I love that. You don't always have to stick with just one style. And again, now I'm just fluffing it out until I get my desired look. This U-part looks so natural. It looks like it's literally coming out of my scalp, and I just love it. It's my go-to, whether if you want to switch it up or have short hair and want something longer, or if you're looking for an easy style, this is literally it. I love this hair. And that is all for this video. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll be providing the details to this hair down in the description box, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down in the comment section.